Mary Chase Perry Stratton herself was a teacher, and when she started here, she had students in the pottery almost from the very first days. We've even had Wayne State University held their ceramics classes here at the pottery in the early years. Mary was instrumental in the founding of the art program at University of Michigan. We have installations on the campus of Michigan State University, the University of Michigan, and Wayne State University. It's been a key part of what we do kind of throughout. Mary ran the pottery right up until her death at the age of 94 in 1961. Her assistant kept it going for a few years after that, but then donated it to Michigan State University. And MSU ran the pottery for about 15 years as part of their continuing education program. Then in the end of the 70s, it was starting to struggle economically. MSU decided, they could no longer keep it going. A group of friends got together, formed the Pewabic Society Incorporated. Initially they just wanted to be a friends group to raise money to keep the pottery going at MSU, and it was like the dog that caught the carp, because MSU said, well, we'll just give you the pottery. So in 1981, the Pewabic Society Incorporated officially took ownership, and we've been an independent 501c3 nonprofit ever since. And of course, that really speaks to the passion and commitment of the community that has kept this place, such a vital part of Detroit for so long. And as a nonprofit, we've continued to champion education, and that's still, a really essential part of what we do. And to talk a little bit more about that educational component today, I'm going to pass it up to Annie, who's now in our education studio.
Thanks, Steve. Here at Pewabic, we love what we do, and we love sharing it with other people. So whether that's through classes here on site at Pewabic or working with people out in the community, we love showing both the art and the science of the ceramic process. On site, we offer classes in a variety of different subjects, including tile making, hand building, and wheel throwing, as well as workshops on how to glaze tiles just like our artists do here at Pewabic. We also do off-site programs out in the community, often partnering with Detroit Public Schools, bringing ceramic workshops to local students. I think the great thing about working with a material like clay is it's incredibly intuitive, and so right away we can see people respond to the material, and whether that's students here on site at Pewabic in our classes or while we're working with students in Detroit Public Schools, it's a really magnetic material that people are often drawn to.